Hey everybody, Will Bergen here again. I'm going to show you guys a couple things. I'm going to show you how to put in grades and how to put in no-shows. So we're going to start with our www.columbustech.edu main website. We're going to go to faculty and staff. We're going to go to Team Connect. And one of the nice things about the new single sign-on is that you're going to use your username and password is going to be the same. Everything you log into your email, you log into your computer, you're going to use your same username and password for everything. Usually your first initial, last name, and then whatever you set as your password. So for these functions, we're going to need Banner. So we're going to click on Banner. This is going to open up a new screen. I'm already logged in, but if you were coming in, it would just ask you to put your username and password there, and then it bring you to this screen. The form we're going to use is SFAALST. Okay, that's a class attendance roster. And click on that once it comes up. It's going to load the resources. Oh, hold on, we had an error. Hey everybody, Will Bergen here. I'm going to show you guys how to do a couple things. First, we're going to go over how to assign no-shows, and then we're going to go over how to put in final grades. First thing we're going to go to faculty and staff and click on Team Connect. Now the nice thing about our new system is it's going to use the same username and password for everything. So whether you're logging into your email or your on-campus computer in your classroom or logging on to Team Connect, you're going to use the same password. We'll actually use that for Banner as well. So it's got my password remembered here. I'm going to put login. This takes us to the main Team Connect page. Then we're going to go to Banner. Click on Banner. Again, my password's remembered here. Same password. So once you know that username and password, you should be good to go. If you're having trouble with that, you can probably contact James Hogan or Jay Hogan at columbustech.edu, and he should be able to help you out. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. This takes us to our new web-based banner system. We're going to click on search here. The form we're going to use is SFAALST. This is the class attendance roster. This is where we're going to do no-shows and where we're going to put final grades in. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. This should load right up. Now that we've got the form loaded up, we're going to pick our term, right? We're going to assume we're doing no-shows for the semester. I'm going to put 2019-16. That's our term code. We're going to pick a CRN. I'm going to just guess at one, maybe 16448. Okay, it looks like an ALHS 1090 class. So we're going to hit go. What this will do is this pulls up our roster and in the web menu here. If we were doing our final grades, we'd be put them over here, remembering to put space and work ethics grade, a 1, 2, or 3 after that. Or when we're working with no-shows, we're going to use the hours attended field over here. So for any of these students who haven't logged into Blackboard, haven't emailed the instructor that you've had no contact with, we're going to want to make sure we no-show those students so that they don't get charged, so that their academic record isn't affected, things like that. In order to process this, we would just go in and put zeros, right? We're not actually going to do it, but we're going to put these in over here. And then to finalize it, after we have finished with our roster, we will come down here and select save. Of course, I'm not going to save it at this point because we're just doing a demo. But once you hit save, it should process correctly. Then you should be able to go into your banner roster and be able to see the process at 0. And eventually those students will just drop out. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. I hope this helped you out. If you have any other ideas about other videos that might help you, shoot me an email, let me know. I'd be glad to do them. Thank you.